In today's video, I will teach you how to create YouTube banners like a pro using PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, you have to make a blank canvas with the standard size of a YouTube banner. To do this, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Blank Canvas. Here, scroll down until you see the YouTube category. The standard size for YouTube banner is 2560 by 1440 pixels. Now, just click the YouTube channel art canvas preset to open your blank canvas on the editor. You can also start with a completely customizable template to make things easier for you. To do this, go back to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Templates. This will open up PicMonkey's editor with the Templates tab open. In the Templates panel, you will see thousands of free and customizable templates to choose from. Simply type in the keyword YouTube banner, and thousands of YouTube banner design templates will pop up. Once you've decided which template to use, you can now personalize the template. You can use graphics, images, and text to make an eye-catching and unique YouTube channel banner. To add graphics, simply go to the sidebar and open the Graphics tab. You can choose from thousands of graphics elements in PicMonkey's graphics library. The graphics are neatly categorized so that you can find specific graphics elements easier. But if you would like to be more specific, you can simply type in a keyword on the search bar to find the exact graphics element that you're looking for. Simply select the graphics element that you wish to edit, and a new set of editing tools will appear on the sidebar. Here, you have the option to change the color of the element and even turn it into a gradient. You also have the option to add shadows and outline and fill your graphics element with an image. To upload your own logo or image, go to the sidebar and open the Photos and Videos tab. Now, simply press the Add Photo or Video button and select the source of your file. Once the file is uploaded, you will see it under the Uploaded tab. You can simply click the uploaded image and it will automatically appear on your canvas. You can also cut your image into a shape in PicMonkey. To do this, go to the sidebar, go to Graphics, and select the shape that you would like to use. Now, click the shape, and at the sidebar, select the Fill with Image option and select the source of your file. To move and resize the image, simply double-click it until the handles appear. Keep in mind that the round handles are for resizing, and the line handles are for cropping. Now, to add text to your banner, simply go to the sidebar and open the Text tab. Here, you can either use PicMonkey's text presets to make designing easier for you, or you can add your own text box if you have a specific design in mind. You can change the font style, size, color, and alignment at the sidebar as well. Now, just play around with your design until you're satisfied. And once you're done, you can now download it to your computer. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.